In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a dotted line in Google Docs using two easy methods. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. Let's start with the first method, using the borders and shading option. Place your cursor where you want the dotted line to appear, either at the start of a new line or within a paragraph. Then go up to the top menu and click Format, Paragraph Styles, Borders and Shading. In the Borders and Shading window, look under the Border section and click the bottom border icon to add a line below your text. Next, click the Border Color dropdown to choose your preferred color. Set the border width to around 1 pt and then open the Border Style dropdown to select the dotted line option. Once everything looks good, click Apply, and you'll instantly see a dotted line appear under your paragraph. This is great for creating things like signature lines or section dividers. Now, let's move to the second method using the drawing tool. Go to Insert, Drawing, plus New. Inside the drawing window, click on the line tool at the top and draw a line across the canvas. Once the line is drawn, click on it to select it, then click the line dash icon in the toolbar and choose the dotted style. You can also customize your line by adjusting its color and thickness using the options in the same toolbar. When you're happy with the result, click Save and Close, and your dotted line will appear right inside your document. You can move or resize it anytime and double-click to edit it again in the drawing tool. And that's it. You've just learned two simple ways to make a dotted line in Google Docs, one using borders and shading, and another using the drawing tool for more flexibility. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Google Docs tutorials.